Okay, guys, they are coming back from school. They are opening the door now. I want to see how they will greet me. Hey, people learn very fast then. Wow, what year? School we over now. School was good. That's nice. Daniel, where over year? Emi Yamano. Very good. Wow, I'm so proud of you guys. Why are you very serious? Then why you there for Nena? When why settle down Nena look at school now? Okay, now when you come back from school, what school? Then you what way? Bien. Okay. When I'm coming back from outside and I meet you people in the house, yaga koide. Bien. I'm so proud of you guys. Okay. While you're where then what way? Labo. Bien. You understand very well now. Okay. Don't be having no why. Okay. What's your way? What's your way? What's your way?
Dixon, eu falei Iggy.
So,
Dixon.
and what's your way do?
Osaze.
Osaze, muy bien. What's your way?
Daniel.
What's your way? They know near do it. I saw sir. Very good. Good. Why a teacher near do by Maria? Near do. Tell me some Benin names.
I'm first.
Tell me.
Ikpomosa.
Ikpomosa, no be Ikpomosa. Wherever. Efosa. Say Efosa. No Efosa. Efosa. Okay. Tell your name, mommy. Another name.
Osakpolo. Osaibobo.
Osaibobo no.
Osakpolo.
Osagbovo. Say Osagbo.
Osaibobo.
Osagbovo.
Osaibobo.
And you?
Mamadou.
Mamadou, that's Senegal name, Daniel.